Fatigue. Who hasn't complained about it at some point? That feeling of exhaustion, the heaviness we carry, sometimes from the very moment we wake up or after a long, hard day. But behind this sensation lies a more complex reality, because fatigue, or asthenia, is not always the same. There are two forms of asthenia that are often confused: physical asthenia and psychic asthenia. But how do we tell them apart? What makes them different? Psychic asthenia is the one that sets in right from the morning upon waking. You had a bad night's sleep, your thoughts are spinning endlessly, and you wake up already drained. The mere idea of starting the day feels overwhelming. This type of fatigue often reflects psychological burnout. The mind is under pressure, unable to switch off. Then there's physical asthenia. This one hits at the end of the day, when the body has given all it could. After a long, tiring day, every movement feels heavier. The body, quite simply, is demanding rest. In any case, these signals should not be ignored. If this fatigue becomes persistent, whether physical or psychic, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can help distinguish between these two types of asthenia, and often they'll recommend tests like a blood workup or other exams to make an accurate diagnosis. Because beyond the fatigue, other issues might be hiding. Taking care of yourself also means listening to your body and giving it the attention it deserves. Don't let fatigue become a silent companion. Take the time to understand its source and seek the necessary help. Your body and your mind will thank you for it.